In this video, Kate brings life and style to Ami's long wavy hair. She begins by working on the external length. The hair is combed to its natural fall and cut through the fingers, allowing for maximum control over the wavy texture. The length is kept consistent from the back all the way to the front. Each new section follows the guide established in section 1. Even at this stage, the haircut begins to take shape, giving Ami's hair a fuller appearance. Kate then moves on to the internal lengths, starting in the centre back. Section 1 is cut out from its base, horizontally. The vertical lengths increase from the top of the section, stopping at the occipital bone to maintain weight in the external shape. Throughout the zone, Kate keeps the horizontal length consistent. Sections 1 and 2 are directed toward one another. This method is repeated with sections 2 and 3, and again with 3 and 4. The original vertical position is maintained to ensure a clean and cohesive shape. To preserve length and weight in the front, Kate directs sections 5, 6 and 7 back to section 4 and cuts to the existing guide. The result is a shape that really brings out the natural texture in Ami's hair. Kate finishes by refining the lengths around the face. The hair is dried with a soft lift and movement away from the face, framing Ami's features and highlighting her natural beauty. Here is the finished look on Ami. Thank you for watching.
We're going to say like, subscribe.
Like,
Share, comment and subscribe.
why don't you come in, show us how it's done, like both of you.
That's a really good
and then
idea.
we'll come back and then we'll replicate.
That is such a good idea.